so your judgment's been entered. Does that mean you're done with court? Not necessarily. A lot of times things happen after you're done and you may need modifications. So your judgment just simply means your divorce is final. You're no longer together, you're no longer acquiring marital property. But it doesn't necessarily mean you're done with the case because things can change. And if things change, you may need to go back and ask for modifications. Divorce becomes final when the judge signs your judgment for dissolution of marriage. This means that you guys have either presented your documents as an agreement and the judge signs off on it, or the judge makes a decision and renders a judgment and then signs off on it. Technically, each party has 30 days to appeal that or ask the court to reconsider. So if you're looking at a technicality, 30 days after the judge signs it is when your divorce becomes final. When it comes to modifications post-divorce, you really want to make sure that you have a substantial change in circumstances. There are some things, such as your decision-making, that the courts don't want to modify for 2 years or more unless there's something that's significant that would cause a reason to change it. In other words, we don't want to change the child's life around simply because there's a small change in income. However, there's certain things like income, your child support, your maintenance, those things can change anytime there's a substantial change in financial circumstances. So the right attorney is going to help guide you from where you are to where you want to be. Divorce is an emotional process. It's not something you want to be allowing your emotions to make those decisions. Having a trusted advisor in your corner and telling them your goals, they can help create a plan to get you there without getting involved in those emotions that can sometimes sidetrack us and take us away from where we want to be.